Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a video on how to make a Instagram post for free using Canva. So today we're going to be using Canva to make a free poster for Instagram. So once you go into Canva, you just go into the top menu bar here, scroll right until you find Instagram post, which is going to be a 1080 by 1080, which is a square post, which is the normal Instagram post size. Once you click on this, it'll be an empty Canva on here. On the left hand side, you'll have some templates of the similar posts of what you want to do. So on the top here, we have some suggestions as well. Depending on what you want to do, we've got summer food products, background quotes, events. So we can do motivational quotes. So once you do go through these, you can sort of select which type of quote you want or which type of style that you want. Once you have the style that you want, you can click on this and then it'll come onto the camera itself. So for example, this is a signature, so you can just write your signature initials on there, and then you can make this slightly bigger or smaller depending on how you want to do it. And you can sort of drag this across to the left or center line as you wish, and you can even move this across. And again, you can select on the icon and make it smaller or larger as well. Now this text, we can make this larger too if we wanted to. So a little bit to the left and a little bit higher will be probably best for this. So, or we can just try and shift the text size. So that probably looks better because it's more center aligned, and you can see the line going down the center of the screen. So whatever you find it's easier for you to set up, and I would suggest you just move it across there. And again, we can also change the color. So we can individually change the lines of the text also. And you'll be able to change the signature itself, the color of the signature to maybe a slightly darker color just for it to stand out slightly. And even with the scribble line on the bottom, you'll be able to change this also as well. We are able to turn the text slightly and the line scribble as well, just by selecting the rotation button here. We are able to move the complete text also. We can make it slightly smaller or larger depending on how you want it styled, and we are able to add more elements if we needed to. So for example, we can add this across here or wherever we want it, just as an element. And that's the post itself. And to save the post, you just need to press share, download, and it will save the post itself. And then you'll be able to upload it and use it on your Facebook, on your Instagram as a post. Thank you all for watching today.